Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, we have been following the Senator Adeleke saga. As you well know, there's been several videos on it on this channel, so we've been following it. So now the latest development is Festus Keyamo, Malam Buhari's boy during the election, is now chiming in, having a jibe at Davido and his uncle. So here it is. Festus Keyamo shades Davido's uncle Demola Adeleke as he insists WAEC certificate is not needed to contest for president or governor in Nigeria. So this guy did it via Twitter. So this is his Twitter handle, Festus Keyamo. By definition of school certificate or equivalent in section 318 of the 1999 Constitution, you don't need a WAEC certificate to become president or governor. But if you present a forged WAEC or other certificate to INEC for any office, you will be disqualified. So he then hashtagged Osun State scenario. So a direct jibe then at Senator Adeleke and of course Davido, who is his partner in crime, effectively. Not his partner in crime, but his close supporter. So Festus Keyamo carries on. Forgery occurs when the supposed author of a document denies ever making it or denies its authenticity. WAEC has confirmed the authenticity of PMB, so that's President Muhammadu Buhari's certificate, by issuing an attestation of it. Case closed. Hashtag Osun case scenario. WAEC has denied the authenticity. See the difference? So now this is now this clown now trying to draw parallels between F9 Buhari and F9 Adeleke. So Festus Keyamo carries on. Let me end my free lecture series by saying that the crux of the matter is that if you don't have a WAEC certificate, there is no need to go ahead and forge one in the bid to become a governor or president. You can still be qualified regardless. That is the mistake made in hashtag Osun State scenario. So that's Festus Keyamo. Festus Keyamo is still insisting that the WAEC certificate is not needed for any Nigerian to contest as president or governor. Taking to his Twitter handle to expatiate on his position, Keyamo said that a governor or presidential candidate can only be disqualified if he or she presents a fake certificate to INEC. Dancing Senator and Davido's uncle, Demola Adeleke, is currently standing trial in court for allegedly presenting a fake WAEC certificate to INEC when he ran for governor of Osun State in September last year. So that's now Festus Keyamo throwing his own 2 penny into the controversy. So anytime that there's any goings on in that Nigerian space, this guy's voice is always in there circling somewhere. So Festus Keyamo having a jibe at Osun State and Senator Adeleke, and by extension Davido. So this is now this clown who cannot shut his mouth. The elections are over. He was appointed to run an election which has now concluded, but is still in the public space making his empty-headed noise. So now this guy is now obviously now appointed himself as a spokesperson for the government or Buhari or whatever. I'm not quite sure what his position is now, but he's now enjoyed the publicity so much that he can't now step down and go back to his private life. So now this is what this clown has to say. So 3 clowns are play. Senator Adeleke, Davido the Fool, and of course Festus Keyamo, Buhari's boy. So this is what we are conjuring with in this video. What say you? Which side are you on? Adeleke, the dancing senator, Davido, the chairman's whatever it is to Chioma, or Malam Buhari, the killer man in Aso Rock. So these are the 3 characters that we're discussing. Comment in the comment section, but before you come engage in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it goes gray, the bell button as well, that notifies you whenever I drop a video. Then come, let's have a chat about this in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you in the comment section, but here I say peace.